we're about to learn the boots on the ground line dance.
Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Wait a minute now, where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Give me one time.
The first move is right, left, right, right. And then we're going to do the left side. But first we're going to go right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. The next move is toe tap. You're going to tap your toe forward in front of you. Tap your toe to the right. Tap your toe behind you. Then go back to the right. So it looks like this. From here, the next move is crossover. We're going to be crossing over our right leg over the left, and then we're going to come back, crossing our left leg over our right. It should look like this. The next step is from here, you're going to do a rock step into a quarter turn. And you're going to be facing this wall on the right. So it's rock, step with your right, and then right, left, right. Then we're going to rock step again. We're going to start with our left, and then we're going to half turn to the wall. We're going to be facing the wall behind us. So it is rock, step, left, right, left. After that, what we're going to do, we're going to march up. And you're going to be marching up, starting with your right, and it's right, left, right, left. And then once you get up here, you can either pop your fan 4 times or do the hoorah 4 times. So it's pop, pop, pop,